Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Checking in on PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG on the daily weekly time frame. So PCLN inside bar on the daily time frame, and again, this is the exact same pattern that SPY has been seeing over the past couple of weeks, and we are seeing an inside bar just like SPY did. So we are looking for a break of 1900 to indicate that we're going to head back to the all-time high of 1927, but I would not be surprised to see further consolidation from here, pull back a little bit more, establish another higher low, and then look for the bulls to make that move back towards that all-time high. The weekly time frame extremely strong. No red flags on this longer-term trend. If we lose the 8-period exponential, that will be the first sign of potential weakness, but we've held it all of 2017. And we keep bouncing off this level on every consolidation period and then seeing continuation to new all-time highs. So until we lose that level, that is the play, and that is the very strong support that keeps holding. NVDA, beautiful bull move to the upside. Excuse me. The gap down open was a buying opportunity, and the bulls certainly bought significantly, and we closed very strong up at the high. We're looking up at 150 psychological from here, and the bulls have all kinds of momentum in their favor. Our new support level is 142.05, the low of this consolidation period, and as long as we keep forming higher lows, the bulls remain in full control. Weekly time frame trying to remain above the upper Bollinger Band and negate that little bearish doji from last week. Very small range, not a lot of information on that doji, and the bulls still seeing tons of strength. They're just in complete control. Tesla, same thing. Bull flag confirmed. Follow through to the upside. New all-time high. Close up at the high of the day. Full-on bull with our new support level established at 334.21. Anything above that maintains the higher low bull pattern. And we are looking for continuation in this all-time high space. Tesla on the weekly. Very significant room to the upside. The upper Bollinger Band, 352.65. So we will keep an eye on that level after 350 psychological resistance, but there is nothing slowing these bulls down at this point. And again, they do a really good job of closing at the high of the day with momentum in their favor, and that's what we have here heading into tomorrow as well. Netflix got a new all-time high right at the open and then consolidated the majority of the day. It was a bit of a difference compared to other names because of that, other tech names that is, but the bulls did buy the dip, and they've been buying the dip now. Every single time we see a red day, the bulls are buying the dip. So that tells me that they are still very much in control, and we are looking for a bull break and continuation if we can see a new all-time high above 165.50. New support established at 163.43, keeping the bulls in full control. Higher low pattern, very strong. Weekly time frame, upper Bollinger Band resistance is 166.27 to be keeping an eye on. But again, bulls have been closing above that pretty easily over the past couple of months, and they are in full control. CMG, weak. We did break the lower high pattern on Thursday, but we closed at on Friday, but we closed at the low of the day, signaling that the bears had momentum into today, and we saw a follow through to the downside today, and we closed fairly weak here again. So we saw a new lower low. 465 is the must-hold support. That is the base of support that has been built here by the bulls, and if we break that level, it will be a midterm indication that further consolidation is coming. And the weekly time frame is still very bullish consolidation, although we are struggling with that 100-week resistance. The bulls have done a really good job of holding up over the past month while this consolidation has taken place. So if we break that 465 support, the next support that we're looking down at is 445 here on the daily time frame. So the bulls really want to hold that level. Otherwise, there is a risk of another $20 pullback, and that would certainly take a lot of momentum away from those bulls, which, again, the sideways consolidation does favor these bulls, but they have to turn things around and see some solid, strong closes, which we obviously have not seen recently. So the bears are in control of CMG. The bulls are in full control of every other name on this list, and we're watching to see what kind of continuation we can get tomorrow, keeping in mind that Thursday we've got the testimony coming, and that's a potential catalyst for the bears to maybe wake up in this market. Going to be cautious of that. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow, and I'll see you then.